Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to do a systematic literature review. This is one of the biggest pain point for any PhD researcher, especially in the initial stages of their research. Reading, reviewing, narrowing down mountain of papers out there into something meaningful for your own research. That too absolutely without spending a single dollar. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by endless PDFs, not knowing where to start or how to organize everything, this video is for you. So let's dive in right in. Okay, now the traditional route is, which we used to follow till now, is you give the topic, wide topic of your interest and write review and press enter. You get lot of papers which is available. If PDF is given, that means the PDF format is available. You can download it and read it using any AI app or by yourself. Now, in this, it takes little time for a researcher to read all the papers, download it, save it, and find the gap. Instead of this, if I take the same topic, I can use AI apps to do the same. Here I gave the same topic in Semantic Scholar. It gave me these many papers initially, but then I can sort it based on my research area. I have made a detailed video on Semantic Scholar. Please go and watch it. After this, you can just select on has PDF and you get all the papers which is having open PDF with it. Second AI tool is consensus. In consensus, I will select Pro for now and give the topic, press enter, and you have all the sources coming here one by one. Literally the source and how many people have cited it, whether it has a PDF or not, everything will be given here. So if you go below, you have key papers and the architectures used in that paper. So we get a very precise view about our literature review in this process. Also the sources, and if you go down, if this open symbol means you have a PDF with it and you can go and read it. So this is kind of little easier. If not, you can use another AI tool, Research Rabbit. Give your title, press enter, and it finds all the possible topics based on the topic. You can go and find whether it has a PDF or not. You can easily find from here. You click here, it shows no PDF, it shows with PDF, without PDF, so it has a PDF. I have made a Research Rabbit video as well. You can please go and watch it. Now, after all these AI tools, one thing you have to understand that once you read all these literature review and now that you have narrowed down your research work and you're ready for your detailed narrowed topic, but still your literature review is not over, now you have to at least read 50 to 60 or at least 30 papers based on that narrowed topic to actually reach to your research gap. Now what to do for that? Now let's say my narrowed down topic is this. Again, I go to my traditional route. I will keep the topic here in the Google Scholar, and Google Scholar will give me 166 results. I can change the date and understand the result as per needed. 91 results are there. And again, you have to download and read and understand the gap mentioned here. Instead of this, if you go to your consensus, and this time I will give the title here, I will select deep, I will give the filtration. If you want, you can figure out past 2 years, 5 years, what will be the journal rank. Do you want only open access journal? You can click on this open access and the field of study, what kind of field you're interested in, maybe computer science. Just select that and the country where the research took place. So you apply all these filters and then go find the paper. Okay, so you get all these papers based on your filtration and also how many of are cited already, what is the topic of interest, and you get all the open access papers as well. So this is the essence of using consensus. It makes our work very easy and a narrowed literature review for us. So it gives the research strategy as well. It gives the results and the comparison of the strategies. Everything will be given in detail. If you use Research Rabbit for your in-depth literature review, you will not get your paper. So Research Rabbit says there is no result found. I will not recommend Research Rabbit for this. Similarly, for semantic, if I give the same paper for my semantic search, again, you can see no paper found. But there is one research tool which is very good at deep personalized search of the topic, that is AI2. I have made a video on this as well. Please go and check. If you give the same topic here, it will precisely tell you 71 papers, and these were the papers. 7 papers were relevant, 64 were somewhat relevant, and it also gives the keyword where it matched. Exactly, you can see that these are the 3 keywords which is there in this research paper, these keywords in this research paper. So I would suggest, even though this is relatively new, just launched in April 2025, this is the tool which is going to give you very personalized reply to your research papers. Now, if you have used your AI research assistant and also Google Scholar, apart from that, if you want other papers which are freely available, first thing you can always go and check your college library, the database which the college library provides, or else you can also check in your college if they are in having the membership of ESS, E-Show the Sindhu, which is having so many resources in it. So you get access totally free to all these resources, including journals like IEEE, Taylor and Francis Wiley. All these research papers are available here. Secondly, you can go to National Digital Library of India to find some specific paper for your experiments. If not, you can go and use world-class open libraries such as Bayes, which is having 447 million plus papers, or MIT Library, DSpace, Harvard Library, Dash, PubMed Central Library, EcoStore Library. If even you can check HAL Open Science, or else you can just go to Unpaywall so that you don't have to pay anything and get all your resources for free. You have to just click on get your extension, add to Chrome extension, and whatever research paper you try to open, if it shows this green color lock open symbol, that means you can go and access the paper. So these all are the open access libraries which you can go and check. Now, let me tell you some more tips. If I want to access this paper, but it comes with a huge pay of $16, that too for 48 hours. So, what will I do? I will find out that who has written this paper or who has worked on this paper. I found this keyword that ICBA nanoparticles. That means ICBA, which is a research institute in UAE, has worked on it. I'll directly go to their website, and here you go. They have put all the papers which they have published so far with open access. So either you can go to the institutional website and find the research paper there. If not, you can go to a particular author page and get the paper if the author has uploaded there. Or nothing works, and if you really want to read that paper, you can send a polite email to the author, and I'm 100% sure everybody will be happy to share their research work with you. I hope this walkthrough makes the process clearer and give you confidence to start your own research review. So this is all it for today. Initially, we started with literature review work and narrowed down to your topic of interest and found the research gap. Secondly, once you're done with your research gap, we understood how to find more papers precisely based on your topic of interest. And then step 1 and step 2, you can easily form your hypothesis and present to your research guide. I will put all the links discussed and some additional information for you in the description. So let me know in comments what part of the literature review process you're struggling with the most. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.